You see, in marriage, husband, love your wife. Wife, submit to your husband. He said, be fruitful and multiply. Husband, listen. Even though she no get the fruit of the womb, no carry strange woman enter una room, because the thing dey always stain like cashew, and the shame go plenty omo if they catch you. If he beat her small, like say e be lime, but with time the two of una go dey rhyme. And sometimes if he dey pain pass cane, pray to God make he turn am to sugar cane. Make sure she be the apple of your eye, no cut am like onion make you no cry. Pray to God make una marriage take shape, and make una dey enjoy am just like grape. Madam, don't let a good man go, because it takes two to tango. If you waka on top banana make e fall, but pull am up make e stand up tall. Some people wan comot the straw from your berry, and they even wan add even black to your berry, but enjoy your bourbon like agbalumo, because it's time for your igbadun ball. If you get strong head though like coconut, but make una no separate like kola nut. And when e be, share the juice with your neighbor, because you go eat the